says, good luck showing. That's the Tajikistan team. They haven't gone out yet. DJ Lee. Are you a DJ, Lee? With your name being DJ Lee? I'm here to support Rwanda. Now Rwanda go. We were all tricked. The screen said it was Rwanda that went earlier. It wasn't, it was Kenya. It's Rwanda that go now. And just a reminder of Rwanda Team A, 101.5. That's the time to beat as far as the Rwandans are concerned. First you want to beat your colleagues, then you want to beat the best. Just crossed the 30-second mark for Rwanda SOF team, the second of the Rwanda teams. This looks good. Remember, Team 1 went round last year on the hostage rescue day in 59.3. They're not going to beat that time. Out of the kill house and a sprint towards the finish line. 104.5 for Rwanda B.
Good job, good job.
Not as quick as their A-team colleagues. A little push for the sniper to get him on his way. Were you happy with that, DJ Lee? Elkul says that's how it's done, supporting Rwanda. Cosmo says, hey Joe, please send a hello to the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Kazakhstan. Hello Cosmo, hello the MOI of Kazakhstan, who apparently are all gathered around a TV watching. Why no teams from Western Europe, says Kia. We had a team from Northern Ireland last year, but you are correct. Actually, we'll have Greece. Greece is Western Europe, isn't it? A team from Greece this year, first timers in the UAE SWAT Challenge. Ekam, they are out a little bit later on. Just have a look at the bottom of your screen there. You can probably see the heel of that Vietnamese sniper. Just a little push off from his colleague's toe. Fine details, it's fine details. He's going up those stairs rapidly through the door, out onto the balcony for that approximate 60-meter shot. There we go, no issues. The assaulters are away. Peggy Mays says, is this the Vietnamese team? Yes, it is. All targets dispatched. This looks good. This looks good. Can they come home in under a minute? Which anything a minute or under is a super time. Can they cross the line in under a minute? 1:01.8, just missing out. The Vietnamese police special force team. Catherine Osillo says, who are the top three? If you want to keep track of the standings as the day goes on, then UAESWATchallenge.com. So far, we have China B, 54.8, Brimob B of Indonesia, 58.8. They're the quickest times. They're the sub 1 minute times that we have on this day 2. There's the Greek team that I was talking about. IKAM of Greece, first timers in the UAE SWAT challenge. They will be up next. Another first-timer team, Qatar, the Joint Special Forces of Qatar, they're coming soon as well. I think I mentioned this yesterday, but it's worth mentioning again that so many times at the end of this UAE SWAT challenge, at the end of the week, when you speak to the teams, and even when you speak to them at the end of the day, the desire to come back again next year because they know where they can trim some time. They know where they can do better or go faster. What you don't know is the element of luck. Like we saw yesterday, much to the detriment of 2 of the Chinese teams, a jammed round. Sometimes, well, most of the time is out with your control. That's the luck that you need. Let's go Serbia. They're not out yet. And Armand from South Africa says, I want a sub 1 minute, sorry, time for the Special Task Force of South Africa. Well, you can want it, Armand, but whether you get it or not, that's going to be down to them. South Africa, the Special Task Force of South Africa last year, round in 1 minute 10. There's the snipers round off for the IKAM Special Suppressive Counter-Terrorism Unit of Greece. Their first time into the kill house in anger in this competition. Oh, that looks good. Remember, they must have their handguns holstered before they're allowed to leave that box. It is a penalty if they don't. Just gone over the 1 minute mark, but this is good. This is a very good time for newcomers. 1:08.3 for the IKAM unit of Greece. Very first appearance in this competition. Rami Nelson says, I'm watching for the, from the Solomon Islands, waiting to see my team. Hello to all of you in the Solomon Islands.